Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open Google application and then tap here on the right upper corner. Then click here to the settings and scroll and tap to Google Assistant section. After that, scroll down to the general options. And here we can see Google Assistant switcher. Just to activate it, you should click here once on the switcher and confirm your action by click here to turn on. And that's it. Now Google Assistant successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.